Smart curtain baths and blinds are pretty straightforward smart devices that allow you remote access to your curtains and even voice-activated commands with better options. If you're interested in getting a set of smart curtains for yourself, you'll be glad to know that we have the best ones present right here.
Greetings from Smart Home 101. Here we test, review and compare each and every smart home product to ensure you're always up to date on trends while getting the best user experience before making any buying decision. To get the ideal product, don't forget to check the links down below.
Tired of wasting time opening and closing curtains? Install this smart device to any traditional curtain rods or rails and forget everything. It's made out of robust material, and under the glossy exterior, powerful motors are packed in. The amazing part is, it comes with 3 different types of hooks, making Curbat perfectly suitable for every type of room. The built-in sunlight sensor detects the intensity of light and works automatically for your convenience. You can even control it via smartphone app or voice control, giving you ultimate control over your curtains. After that premium choice, let us present the smart curtain set from Zimi Smart. It has a budget-friendly price tag while offering various smart features that you might be looking for. For its robust design and various sizes, it's the perfect device for your curtains. Once you hook it up with your favorite voice assistant, you can control it magically. Even the smartphone app ensures you have full control over it. Don't like any one of those methods mentioned above? No worries, its additional remote control is here to help you, and it's very helpful for seniors who are not used to smart devices. Make your ideal privacy ambient depending on your activity. The IKEA Furniture is an all-in-one smart blind that comes with an affordable price tag. You can control your blinds by using a smartphone app and create several groups of wireless blinds to control them in different ways. You can also set a timer and forget to pull it up or down. Plus, its smartphone-friendly app and additional remote control gives you power to control blinds remotely. Don't worry if it's sunny outside and you want to enjoy the complete darkness at home, its beautifully crafted fabrics happily ensures that. Control your curtains without lifting a finger with Acara Driver E1 and make your ordinary curtain or blind smart in seconds. You'll be able to open and close the curtains right from your smartphone, making your life much simpler. On top of that, it has a voice control feature that lets Acara E1 respond to your commands. So now, you can close the curtains while you're comfortably lounging on the couch or getting ready to go to bed. Beyond that, it comes with 2 different versions which is compatible for both rod and track curtain systems. So choose a suitable one wisely. Rise and shine, Sleepyhead. This smart curtain rod allows you to wake up whenever the sun rises, because it reacts with the sunlight and automatically opens or closes curtains. This cool device has a lot to offer, like more compatibility, better control, eye-catching design, and many more. Along with smartphone control, you can also manually open or close the curtains with a gentle touch, so no more compromising with privacy. It's easy to install and easy to operate. The best thing is, on a single charge, it can cover up to 8 months, which is more than sufficient. So these were the 5 smart curtain baths and blinds just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.